Okay, quick test. Do you actually remember the kanji from the last few weeks? 10 questions, 4 choices each. Grab a pen, keep score, and let's see how many you can get right. Question 1. What does this kanji mean? The answer is C. Kon, red eye, means to say. Question 2. Which of these kanji means 4? It's A. Yong, red yong, means 4. Question 3. What does this kanji mean? Correct answer, C. Mai, read mai, means every. Question 4. Which of these kanji means book? And it's C. Home, red moto, means book. Question 5. What does this kanji mean? The answer is A. Latsuku, read ta, means to stand. Question 6. Which of these kanji means child? The answer is B. Ko, red ko, means child. Question 7. What does this kanji mean? It's D. Nani, read nani, means what? Question 8. Which of these kanji means to eat? Correct answer, B. Shoku, read ta, means to eat. Question 9. What does this kanji mean? And it's B. Watashi, red watashi, means I. Question 10. Which of these kanji means friend? The answer is D. Tomo, red tomo, means friend. That's all 10. So how did you do? Drop your score in the comments. 10 out of 10 earns you bragging rights. There's a new kanji here every single day, so follow along and keep your streak alive.